Most people think birria is just shredded meat in a taco, but authentic birria is all about the consomé, that rich, spiced broth that makes these tacos legendary. Let's make it right. Step 1. Toast your spices. Dry roast 4 guajillo chilies, 2 ancho chilies, 1 chipotle, cumin seeds, and Mexican oregano in a hot skillet for 2 minutes until fragrant. This unlocks the deep flavors you can't get from raw spices. Step 2. Make the chili paste. Soak toasted chilies in hot water for 10 minutes, then blend with garlic, vinegar, tomato paste, and chicken broth until completely smooth. Strain through a fine mesh to remove any bits. Step 3. Braise the meat. Brown 3 pounds of beef chuck in a Dutch oven, then pour the chili paste over it. Add more broth, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick. Cover and braise at 325 degrees F for 3 to 4 hours until the meat shreds easily. Step 4. Assemble the tacos. Shred the tender meat and reserve the consommé. Dip corn tortillas in the hot broth, fill with meat, cheese, and onion. Serve with a small cup of consommé for dunking. That's the signature move. Pro tip, don't skip the chili soaking step or strain the paste poorly. You'll end up with gritty, bitter tacos. The consommé should be silky and rich, not muddy. What's your go-to topping for birria? Comment below. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.